As we go through life, we make millions of decisions in our lives, some big, some small. But frankly, for this young couple, they've made the decision that they want to spend the rest of their lives with each other. That decision is possibly the most consequential decision they will ever make in their lives.
Danny, I'm sure you already know this, but you found somebody with an incredibly big heart. And Shruti's kind of like a ride or die. You never really have to worry about where her intentions are because they're always good.
Actually lost for words because this is a momentous, very special day. It feels like as if we're actually here receiving an Oscar award.
It's been such a special day for me today to be able to be here and see my first grandchild ever getting married.
Remember that Oscar statue, right? That's Danny for us.
So on this day, on your wedding day, to you and your new wife, Shruti, I wish you all the joy in the world.
I'm so happy that you guys are all here and you made it through all of the things happening in the world right now. I appreciate every single one of you for coming tonight. All the serious stuff happened this morning, so tonight it's just all fun.
I wish them all the best. I wish them well. And I hope they have happiness, health, prosperity, love, tranquility, all their days together.